Good morning! Okay, so this morning we're actually getting ready to go and do a tech run. This might seem a bit extreme. I have my winter jacket on, but it's quite cold backstage, so I just want to make sure like I am as warm as possible before I go and do a show, before I warm up. On the stage it's better, but like backstage, just because of where it's positioned on the ship, it's quite cold. But we have heaters and everything, so that's fine. But just want to make sure that if the heaters are only turned on when we get there, I'm warm anyway. And I'll probably go get a coffee and crew bar first as well to warm you up. But today we're doing our show. We just finished the long cruise, the 53-day cruise, and now we're back on our 4-day cruises, so we're back to shows every day. So this morning I just had a quick go over in my head all my notes of this show that we're doing and just making sure everything's right. Also, we've lost one cast member. She's gone home to her sister's wedding, and because we're literally like about to finish the contract, she will not return. So it is Michaela's last night and she's here speaking to all the crew members. How are you feeling?
I am really excited. I feel like Christmas Day.
Okay, it is far too early for life right now. It is literally like 6:30 and I've been awake since maybe 5. I've been trying to use the like Wi-Fi because like no one's awake usually at this time, and I've been ringing my family. But we have bigger fish to fry today because it's actually Michaela's last morning, like she's about to disembark. So I think I'll just like run up to her cabin and see if she's awake, because I imagine she is, and maybe like just see how she's getting on. I can't believe she's leaving. It's really weird, like, because we're all gonna leave at the same time, but then Michaela's leaving now. Her like space is gonna be like next to me in the dressing room, just like empty. Weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go to her cabin now. I hope she's already awake and I'm not waking her up, because that might be a disaster. And then I need breakfast because I'm about to die. Right, so Tina's got all her life packed into one bag. She's ready to go. I woke her up. How did I wake you up? Oh, yeah, time to wake Jack up first.
He would kill us.
I've never been awake this early.
No dancer ever has. And off her last steps. Right, we're gonna wake up Jack. You have to smash yourself again. Oh, should I hit it? Hold on. You have to do it like this. It's Michaela's last day. It's Michaela's last morning.
So, proper badge. What time is it?
7.
7.
5.
It's your Shishima.
The first director star.
The last
We
schlupper.
opened the breakfast today.
Yeah. The first time dancers have been the first ones to breakfast. We're hungry. So we're doing like a reblock, and some of us girls are like swapping into her position sometimes. So today I'll be doing like one new dance in the show, just to like fill in her position at one point. So another quick change back on the stage. So it's like fine for us, like it's a little bit of a challenge today, but I'm sure after today we'll be fine. And was just going over all my like blocking and all my positioning on the stage as well, just to make sure everything's okay. And like yesterday in the change room, I really quickly like turned on the music in the changing room and like went through my new quick change just to make sure that I have enough time, and I feel like I have loads of time. So I don't know if like running off the stage will obviously like add to your time stress and like get into your position to change, and then like changing when it's a little bit darker backstage as well is a bit different, but we'll give that a go today. And yeah, so I'm just gonna head now and get a coffee and then backstage warm up. We'll get notes on everything that's going to change in the show because we're missing one person, everything that like all the reblocking and all the staging that will change, and like people that are filling in for different parts. Yeah, we're gonna get all that information when we go backstage now, and yeah, it should be good. This is Daniel, our magician. He had a show last night, but it was without me, so it wasn't as good.
Speak English.
Ah! This is the abuse I get. Speaking English. I am speaking English. Coffee time. Look at these girls having a black coffee and a croissant.
Vlogger here, we're just getting ready for our tech month. The Rage Rocks. We just have a coffee. And this is our crew bartender, Michael. You see how sexy he is.
Dan's Captain Lauren goes, he concentrating on the tech dance and the reblock.
Got a new cabinet embarking today.
Do you?
It's the light technician.
For the V, you stayed on 8. You just move forward to the back of the brick. So, we are starting the check run for Asia Rock.
Tech run is finished. We're all sweating. Time for now. Okay, tech run is done and we're ready to get off the ship. Guys, I haven't been off the ship in a month. And I just fell down the stairs, that's good. Nearly broke my ankle just for the vlog. That's what you get. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just back in my cabin. I have my passport ready. I'm gonna have a quick shower after tech run because I was sweating, and then we're gonna try and get off the ship. But like, I literally need to run. I have no time. I gotta be fast because we're all waiting. Okay, I'm gonna get ready, get off the ship. Let's go. Okay, have we got our passport?
Yes.
Crew pass.
Yes.
Go, go, go,
Go on.
faster. We got the fruit and nut mix.
Yeah,
Jack.
we've got the fruit and nut mix. We've not got water. Or maybe I do, I can't remember.
I'm just having my vitamin drink, ladies
Should
and
I have
gentlemen.
try this?
Yeah, enzyme drink. Go and try it. Let's see the reaction of the enzyme drink. What if it's disgusting though?
It smells disgusting.
Oh god, no. Tastes nice. Oh. Oh. Get them enzymes and drink. What is an enzyme? I don't even. And we're off. Tech run done. Swing part. Boom. Done. And we're going out. We're in Japan today. We're in Fukuoka. Fukuoka. There she is.
From Israel.
No, I was like,
Am I from Israel?
I took already.
Are you sure it
When
doesn't
I
say
got back in
Ireland?
the cabin, I was like, Israel?
Let's
And
see.
I might take the wrong.
Oh my god. I'm from Ireland.
Oh.
What? Off the ship! Guys, it's been a month. We're off this ship. How excited are we, Joe? So happy. It's been 1 month since I got off the ship, lads. The last time I got off was Bora Bora. Honest to God. It's a bit nippy out in Japan, lads. Not gonna lie. It's a bit cold. Are you freezing?
Scottish.
Entire crew getting on board. Woo. Stunning.
tempura, the flour, no?
Ah, okay.
And then you can put it in your soup.
I got some tofu because I know we're like starving. I have bought so many snacks. Nom 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 nom. Just crisps. There's our shit. After you get off the ship, you need to put your shore pass back in this box so that immigration knows you're back on the ship. Because one of the girls in the cast has left, we're doing some swing parts. So today I'm swinging one of her dances, and then just a few other things have changed in the show. It's also been like a really good experience to do some swing stuff. Like I've done that quite a bit on this contract. Like if someone's sick, if someone's injured, which of course is going to happen. Like it's a 9-month long contract. We're all human. Someone's going to hurt themselves. Someone's going to fall down the stairs. Like it happens all the time. But like literally, like when it happens, it's just kind of like, okay, I need this person to do this. Here, learn this bit of choreography. You go on here. Instead of going on the normal time, you go on halfway through the dance at this time. And it's just about like remembering it. Time to get makeup on, drink my coffee, go backstage. Now I'll finish my makeup and do my hair backstage. We're already still as hard. So I know it looks like I'm outside, but I'm actually in the changing room. It's just quite chilly back here, isn't it, boys and girls?
That's a bit, yes.
It's just quite chilly. Right, so that's it. Showdown. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd really
We're going to
appreciate
Crew
that.
Bar later.
We're going to Crew Bar, but I'm not going to vlog that because no one wants to see that. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, or
You can write an email to my mother.
yeah, email. She doesn't like getting the post
She's
anymore.
sick of the letters, but you can give her an email.
Don't waste the trees. What's your mom's address?
My mom address.
Yeah.
Oh, you can send a letter to.
Oh, okay. Are you ready to get stuffed? That's where she lives.
And I live.
Lauren's naked, so she's not gonna. Okay, we're just gonna end it here.